The truth is that artificial intelligence is changing the business landscape, and particularly my field as a tax practitioner, faster than most any technology has in decades. But it's not replacing great professions, it's exposing average ones. Today, I want to explain what tax professionals and other professional firms are worried about, what they should be doing about it, and why I believe the future belongs to firms that embrace AI while keeping people at the center of the conversation. I'm Sherry Borshoff, enrolled agent and owner of Bastion Business and Tax Services, where we help build a financial fortress around your business. One of the biggest fears at this time is that AI will eliminate accounting and other professional jobs, but I don't believe that's true. Think about calculators. They didn't replace anyone. They made the professional's life easier. QuickBooks didn't replace anyone. All of these technologies instead eliminated repetitive work, and AI is simply the next evolution. The firms that survive won't be the ones doing data entry the fastest. They'll be the ones delivering the best advice. According to the 2026 Thomson Reuters AI in Professional Services report, 40% of organizations are already using AI, nearly double from the prior year. And only a small minority say they have no plans to adopt it. AI is incredibly good at repetitive work. Things like summarizing documents, tax research, drafting emails, organizing information, reviewing large amounts of data, and these are exactly the kinds of tasks that consume hours in an accounting or a tax practice like mine. If AI can complete those tasks in minutes, that frees the professional up to spend more time helping clients make better business decisions. That's where the real value has always been. Here's what AI doesn't do well. It doesn't understand your family's goals. It doesn't know your risk tolerance. It doesn't understand the emotions behind selling a business. It doesn't sit across the table from you when the IRS sends a notice. It doesn't negotiate. It doesn't build trust. And it certainly doesn't replace decades of professional judgment. Accounting has never been about entering numbers. It's about interpreting what those numbers mean. Now, let's talk about what actually concerns me. No one should have blind trust in AI. Generative AI can produce some impressive answers that are completely wrong. They're often called hallucinations. That's why every AI-generated answer still needs a human review. In tax, almost right can be very expensive. The report found that professionals' biggest concerns remain in reliability, accuracy, and the need for human oversight, and the lack of critical thinking that experienced professionals bring to the table. The firms that thrive over the next decade won't ignore AI. They also won't hand everything over to AI. They'll combine technology with experience. They'll automate routine work while investing even more heavily in advisory services. That's exactly the direction we've taken at Bastion. We use technology to eliminate busy work so we can spend more time helping business owners reduce taxes, improve cash flow, build stronger financial systems, and protect their financial fortress. AI is not the future, it's the present. The question isn't whether professionals will use AI. The question is, how will professionals use AI to become more valuable? Or will they allow AI to replace the work they never should have spent most of their time doing in the first place? I know which side of that equation I land on. If you're a business owner, don't ask whether your tax professional uses AI. Ask how they use it. If they're simply preparing tax returns, that's a problem. If they're using technology to spend more time helping you make better decisions, that's how it should be used. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with another business owner. And remember, don't just stay compliant. Build your financial fortress. I'll see you in the next video.